Welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. So now we are going to discuss about Hindustan Construction Limited. So currently the company is trading around 8.25 and it's in all-time low. And while we are talking about this company, it is having a large history in India. So this is the largest construction company, and also it is one of the pioneer company in India. So there are a lot of construction work they have made for India, and still we are proud of that. So the founder was Walchand, and everyone knows about that. Otherwise, just you can go into the Wikipedia. So maybe the new generation there doesn't know about him, but he is one of the famous person in India. So who made the India like this? That means. He done a major part what we are enjoying right now. So now we will go into the details of the company. So before that, I want to show the one thing that I told that he was one of the good person which he contributed good thing to the to the India. So because everyone knows about Howrah Bridge, now the people they are going and saying they are watching, they are enjoying it, the Howrah Bridge. So this is one of the famous bridge in India. This was built by Mr. Walchand under HCC. And just we will go into the company website, and you can see that company already they have made around 3,960 kilometers of highway in India, and total nuclear power plant in India 60% made by HCC. And you can see here total tunneling in India in that 364 kilometers of tunnel made by HCC. And you can see here 27% of the hydropower capacity is made by HCC. So there is no competitor for them, and also they have made a good thing. That means um, not only in their business, they contributed to Indian economy itself. That's the major thing we should say about this company. And while we are going into the business area of the company, you can see that they are good in hydropower, nuclear power, thermal power, and also highways, roads, bridge, railways, mass rapid transit system, ports, harbors, water supplies and sanitation system, irrigation system, manufacturing and processing plants, commercial institutions, smart cities and townships. They have made everything for India. So company was having minor financial crisis last few years, and since 2019 company started to recover. Now the company is in profit. So since 2019 the company is in profit. So now we will go into the fundamental of the company. So you can see here the current market capitalization of the company is 1248, and the book value per share is 5.02. Because I told you company is having a large history in Indian economy. That means they made a large contribution to India, and we are enjoying today on that. And company was on financial crisis, and since 2019, since past 2 years company started to recover. The current the trading price is 8.25, and you can see the company's current turnover is per year is around 10,000 crore. Company sales is there, 10,000 crore. In that, before there was minus profit was generating, and in 2019 the company generated 100 crore positive. And this year in 2010 the company they provided 74 crore positive return. So the company started to improve from here. So this company will go maybe around we can say it will cross above 100, because having large history, and also the company is one of the largest company in India. So the current trading price of 8.25, which is all time low. So start to accumulate this company, this will trade above 100.